Inside the box are the monitor device itself, which you can connect over Ethernet or to Wi-Fi using the included Wi-Fi antenna. A wiring harness to power the device, which is powered from the power in the breaker itself. 16 CT sensors to connect to the individual circuits in the breaker panel. Two 200 amp main CT sensors to connect to and measure the mains power coming in. A quick start guide and a set of labels to label the breakers for what circuit they're connected to. For the mains input, we offer both clip-on current transformers for the wire type mains or flexible current transformers for busbar type mains, so the View product can be installed regardless of your breaker situation.